In this video, I'm going to show you how to install an add-on in Blender. So if I press Ctrl-Alt-U to open the user preferences, we can navigate to the add-ons tab here, and then you just click install add-on from file. So depending on the add-on, each is going to vary, but if it's a PY file, you just need to navigate to it, and then you double click the file. So for example, I have a file called Speed Retopper, which is a great add-on, highly recommend it by Cedric or Wazoo. So you just double click that, and then it'll show you the add-on. It'll like find it for you, and then you just turn this box on, and that will enable the add-on. And we can see that that's enabled now because we can see it says Speed Retopper over here, and we can actually use this add-on now. So if we add a mesh to the scene, we have all the add-ons working fine. So some add-ons will use a zip file instead. It's the same procedure, you just double click the zip instead. Just make sure you check with the documentation of that add-on.